Today I'm going to share with you a really quick makeup look. I'm going to show you how I do a really quick eyeshadow look on my eyes. I'm going to work with the palette Soft Glam from Anastasia. I'm going to take this big brush here. I got this from Daiso. It was probably like less than $5. I know it's really messy, but all these eyeshadow here is like a warm tone more than cool. You have a little bit of cool in this area, but most of this is warm tones. So warm tones next to a brown eye will make it really pop. I'm going to use this color in Rustic and just dab. It picks up a lot of color, so you want to make sure to tap some of the excess. With this, you can literally just go back and forth in your crease where it's kind of hollow. And already, do you see how it creates a shadow right into the crease, so it kind of defines that shape? You use some of this color here. This is Tempera. It is the light color, and I'm just gonna apply it right here on the brow bone and just kind of blend that out so that way it looks nice and soft. Let's say I want to have more definition in the crease. I'm going to use this black brush by MAC. It is 224. I'm going to go in with the color Sienna, which is slightly a little bit darker. Just again, pick up some color, tap some excess off, and right in here, create a little circle motion. And doing that will deposit more of the color right at this corner. And as you go towards the middle, it'll start to spread that color out. So you can see how it kind of defines that crease. And let's say you want to pull that color out a little bit. There's nothing much on my brush. All I'm doing is just going to pull this color out by pulling out whatever excess I have on that part that I just kind of added more color in. And then let's say I want to add a color to the lid. I'm going to do the color Rose Pink, and you can literally just use your finger, press it onto the lid, and there you have like a rose pinky color. Let's say you are done and you want to bring out more of the crease color. We can go back with the smaller 224 brush. And let's say I want to go a little bit darker than Sienna, and let's do Mulberry. That's going to be this corner here. So this is what we did originally for that corner. Now we're going to go back with Mulberry. This is a little bit more of a plum color, and we're just going to do that little circle thing again right in the outside part and start circling and go inwards. And we want to stop halfway here because I don't want to close up the eye, and that's not the type of look that I'm trying to create here. And then again, if I want to pull out the eyeshadow, just pull it out a little bit. What I'm doing is doing tap, hit, so that way it spreads out the color and it goes further out. Now let's say I want to brighten up my inner part of the corner of my eye. I'm going to take a lighter color and dab it right there on the inner part of my eye. So I'm going to use this color, Glistening. Just dab right there, take off excess, and tap right into the inner corner there so that it really brightens up that inner part of my eye. So you always want to make sure to tap some of the excess off. That way it doesn't go all over your cheek. Next, I want to create a smoky eye, so I want to shade this bottom part of my eye. I'm going to take the same color that I used for that crease color, and I'm going to use a flat brush and just kind of go back and forth to really kind of make it messy. I'm honestly just looking at the camera and just placing this because even if it turns out messy, it's okay. Next, I'm taking that second shade, which is Sienna, right in the middle. Again, I'm going to go really close to my lash line. Now, I don't want to go any lower because I already did that with the other shade, Sienna. So now I'm going to go back and really define the shape by getting closer to the lash line. If you ever accidentally put too much and it starts to look like a block, just take off the product off the brush and then just blend it out by spreading that color with nothing on the brush. Spread the color that you already have on your skin, and that will kind of help soften it out. With the same brush, I'm gonna go in with the darker color that I used for this crease So I'm kind of just dabbing right where the lash line is, really close to the lash line, because I don't want it to look like one big line. I want it to look like it's smoked out, so it's going from light, medium to dark. So now that I have my shadow down, I'm going to take a eyeliner pen, just like this Fenty one. I'm going to use a magnifying mirror so I could really take a look at what I'm doing, but I'm going to create a wing liner with this. And what I do is I start off by creating a little triangle at the outside, just like that. And then I will color in really close to the lashes, like make it really tight, like as if I'm not really trying to create that much of a liner, because my main focus is just to make the wing liner. So I want this to look like a little triangle, just like that. Now you can see the difference from before and after. I have a really nice, soft, pretty plum rose gold type of color. And then now I'm gonna do this side. So here it is, the complete look. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. If you like this quick 10-minute look, make sure to like this video and hit subscribe for more easy beauty tips just like this. And comment down below what kind of makeup look you guys want to see next. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take their flight.